I mow the lawn every Saturday morning. I am mowing the back field right now. I have just mown the front garden. I have been mowing the meadows all week. I mowed the grass before the rain yesterday. I was mowing the verge when the blade hit a stone. I had mown the whole park before the concert began. I had been mowing since dawn for hours before it got too hot. I will mow the orchard next weekend. I will be mowing the sports pitch all afternoon. I will have mown every lawn on the street by Sunday. By June, I will have been mowing these fields for the council for 5 years.